Hi guys, so today we'll be playing the 8th part of Card Clash, so let's get directly to the game. The Cloud Practitioner part, and we'll be checking the 8th challenge, which is about data stream and visualization. We'll use Amazon Kinesis to ingest data, process it with AWS Glue, query through Amazon Athena, and visualize it with Amazon QuickSight, ensuring security and monitoring with IAM and Amazon CloudWatch. It's okay, we'll have a chance to read about Athena, QuickSight, S3, we already know, the Amazon Connect, AWS Glue Crawler, AWS Glue Data Catalog, so those are some sort of services for AWS Glue, which somehow connects all the data from different sources, and we have Kinesis Data Firehose and Kinesis Data Streams. Okay, so let's go to the game, check the cards, the infrastructure, and we just read the descriptions of those cards to get to know with the services. Okay, so let's go first for the infrastructure. Contact traced records. Provide a quick setup contact center and removed agents. So that will be probably Amazon Connect, is it right? Amazon Connect is an omni-channel cloud contact center. You can set up a contact center in a few steps, add agents who are located anywhere, and start engaging with your customers. Okay, so I can set up contact center in the AWS, so that will be first thing to do. Collect data and process large streams of data records in real time. For me it will look like something from Kinesis. Deliver data, stream real-time data to different customers. So not sure which card should I use, which service will be good for that. Store raw data, so that will be our S3 to store data at scale. Populates the catalog, AWS Glue data catalog with tables from multiple data stores. Okay, so what's a glue crawler do? You can use a crawler to populate the AWS Glue data catalog with tables. This is the primary method used by AWS Glue users. A crawler can crawl multiple data stores in a single run. Upon completion, the crawler creates or updates one or more tables in your data catalog. Okay, so that will be our glue crawler. So we're crawling our data and creating tables from our data. Probably using some AI to crawl it, or I'm not really sure, maybe some search engine on no, search engine will be only when we have some index and we have already the data somehow indexed, so that will be probably some AI service to crawl, or just a crawler. Okay, not probably it will be a good idea to read more documentation on it. Okay, what we have: index for data, serves as an index for data location, schema and metrics. Index for data, I don't know if Amazon Athena, so Athena will be our query service, where we can use query like search queries. Search queries, yep. Water is wet, for example, I could also say that. Cloud-based B tool, offering accessible insight anywhere. Interesting. I have no idea what to do about it. If I place a connect here, and I can secure it with row. I can end my turn, and those cards will be used on the next turn. I can get 1 energy and then secure my populate catalog. Dashboards. That could be my insight, is it? QuickSight, yeah. Amazon QuickSight. So Amazon QuickSight allows me to create a dashboards of business data. Oh yeah, that was the BI. Business insights. Okay. Anyways, let me add energy. Do I need RDS? I think not. Collect data. Index of data. Serves as an index for a location, schema and metrics. Okay, the steel cost will be 30 for this card. So I'll play the glue. I will secure it. And I will remove the database. I don't see a place to put the data. S3 packet as expected, but he throws his Kinesis cards. Catalog. I can throw Kinesis. I can throw away the crawler. I don't have to use so many IM rolls at this point. I need to get some more energy for next round. Okay. So my quick sight won't be needed anymore. Quick sight is useless. I can have 2 energies. And I have catalog. Or Kinesis. What is Kinesis used for? Amazon Kinesis data streams is used to collect and process large streams of data records in real time. You can create data processing application known as Kinesis data streams application. A typical Kinesis data stream application reads data from a data stream as a data records. Those applications can use the Kinesis client library and they can run on Amazon EC2 instances. You can send the processed record to dashboards, use them to generate alerts, dynamically change price, you can add advertising strategies or send data to variety of other AWS services. And then glue data catalog contains references to data that is used and sources and targets of your extract, transform and load jobs in AWS Glue. To create your data warehouse or data lake, you must catalog this data. The AWS Glue data catalog is an index to the location schema and runtime metrics. Collect and process large streams of data in real time. Stream real-time data to different customers. Kinesis data streams. Well, I'm just putting the index here. I think that will be okay, and I'll be securing it. I'll have more cards next turn. I think the Kinesis data streams will come to the delivers data. I will see how it goes. Great, 2 more energy. Lambda. I don't need any lambda now. I cannot save any. I cannot secure any card, so I'll just steal his bucket for now. worst case, if the courier bashes, we both have our... great. Four, so I can put two of my cards. Kinesis Data Firehose. Firehose is a fully managed service for delivering real-time streaming data to destinations such as Amazon Simple Storage, Amazon Redshift, Amazon OpenSearch Service, OpenSearch Serverless, Splunk, and any custom HTTP endpoint or HTTP endpoints owned by supported third-party service providers, including Datadog, Dynatrace, Logic Monitor, MongoDB, New Relic, Coralogic, and Elastic. Okay, so the Kinesis data streams will collect the data and the Firehose will deliver the data. And it seems like the game has ended because I have completed the infrastructure. Okay, so let's review what we are supposed to do. It's like a simple flow. We have Amazon Connect, so it's a connect service where we can configure our user. And yeah, using AWS Kinesis, we collect the data from our contact servers, contact trace records. We're using the Firehose to stream the data to some endpoints. It could be our S3 bucket or any other API by which uses HTTP protocol to which we can put the data. Then we are using the AWS Glue crawler. The glue is usually used to mix to connect data from different sources and make sense of it. So for the crawler, we will crawl the data from our S3 and put it into tables. And for our data catalog, data catalog, what's the description for data catalog? It seems like a database with tables and indexes. Okay, it's an index for data as it's described here. So yeah, it will be our index with crawled data from AWS Glue, and we can use Athena to query the data and display it in Amazon QuickSight, which displays different graphs or other insights for business information. Okay, let's check the match summary. Okay, 3 stars, so I won't have to replay this part, which sounds cool. Okay, 3 stars. Part 9. What we will be doing in the ninth challenge? Serverless container-based APIs. Built a serverless solution which provides highly available HTTP requests routing to expose container-based APIs and user authentication. Okay, so we're gonna have some containers and we're gonna try to route them and expose the endpoints of those containers. So service cards, API gateway for allowing traffic to our endpoints, cloud map. I have no idea what this is. I'll have a chance to read it in the next challenge. Amazon Cognito is user pool or database. Amazon DynamoDB NoSQL database, which we already were using. Amazon Elastic Container Service, so that will be our service for handling our containers. And Fargate allows us to automatically deploy some containers or other application to AWS. It's probably just most advanced CloudFormation, which is pre-configured, but I will have to need to read more about it. And we can use IAM group and security groups. So that will be all for today's episode. Hope you enjoyed, and I see you in the next challenge. Bye.